Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed up 22 cents, 1.89% at 11.87. Post-market, we are down just 3 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a nice green candle that started at the support here and ended at the resistance. This is validating that our lines are real because the stock is really behaving within those lines. But of course, we would like the stock to break the resistance line, which is at 1194. So we broke it briefly March 1st and March 2nd, but then came back down. But then we started to making higher lows. This is a low right here. This is another low right here. So these are higher lows. So this means that we are in a little bit of a bull trend, at least in terms of the lows. In terms of the lows, we are making higher lows, but we are not yet making higher highs, because we have a high right here and we have not made a higher high yet. Hopefully it's going to happen tomorrow. Everything's possible. So this is the channel that we are in right now. So once we break 1194, and then we can start thinking about 1360 or something like that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened during the day. So we opened a little bit lower than yesterday, but went up to 1194 and came back down a little bit. Then we opened right here, went up to 1194. Can you believe this? And came back down. Then opened right here, went up, but could not muster 1194. Open right here, came down, but then came back up. Open here, went up. Open here, went up. Look at this. Don't tell me that 1194 is not an important resistance. Look at this. The stock is touching it like crazy all the time. Let's go back to the daily chart. In terms of indicators, stochastic at 47, we want to have stochastic over 60. This will indicate that the move is real. On March 1st and March 2nd, it appeared to be a nice move because we broke 1194, but then stochastic was not at over 60 and the move did not last. So we don't want the same thing to happen. We want the stock to break 1194 and we want stochastic at over 60. Then this is going to be a real move and you can buy when you want to buy, but at that point I will buy. So stochastic at 47, MACD still broke over bullish, and the RSI, which has been telling us since January 27 that things are looking up because the trend in strength for Palantir expressed by the RSI relative strength index is telling us, yeah, the strength is increasing, believe me. Don't believe the stock that is going down. Believe me here. So maybe this guy is going to be right after all. In terms of DMI is improving also. So the green line, which expresses the bullishness in the stock, has came up a little bit, and the bearishness expressed by the red line came down a little bit. So looking at this, seeing Palantir obeying this support makes me very happy. We have touched it once, twice, maybe third time, fourth time, fifth time, 5 times. 5 times this support has been touched. So that's really nice. So let's hope that tomorrow we are going to break 1194 and are going up to here. So we should be seeing something like this. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.